Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated soaker hoses in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Gilmore flatweeper soaker hose. This brand is a very renowned brand in the market. You can see a lot of high-rated products from Gilmore such as this soar hose. In the first position, we have placed this flatweeper soaker hose because of its affordability. It is a 25 feet long soaker hose that can be easily placed through rows of newly planted seeds or under mature plants for efficient watering. The system could be controlled by a timer for complete automation of the process. Even with the affordable price tag, it presents a very durable build quality that will surely last for seasons after seasons without any problem. This soaker hose is made up of vinyl that is covered with a clog-resistant fabric cover for the consistent soaking operation. You can also bury the hose under mulch for an easy DIY watering system. Flat design makes it a breeze to roll up and store it for next season. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rocky Mountain Radar Good Soaker Hose. You might not have heard about Rocky Mountain Radar before this article, but we can assure you that its soaker hose is worth checking out. In the second position, we have another reliable option for a soaker hose. This is a 5/8 inch soaker hose that is around 25 feet long. It is made up of recycled rubber that provides a very heavy-duty performance and build quality as the rubber is generally recycled from tires. Although it is only 25 feet, it is not the limit as you can quickly attach another hose with the help of the reinforced fittings. This is the best option for garden and flower beds, as you will be getting a continuous flow of water from all over the hose. As it has a pretty thick body, water does not escape the hose easily, resulting in up to 70% water saving compared with a traditional water sprinkler. Number 3. Our third best pick is One Stop Garden Soaker Hose. It is known for its cheaper yet highly applicable products. Here is a soaker hose from One Stop Gardens. This is a 50 feet long soaker hose that can lie flat on the ground and weep water for prolonged irrigation sessions, unlike other tubular options. This allows water to be soaked directly at the roots of the plants without damaging it. You can restrict water flow with the help of miser discs up to 75% that are included with the product. This hose is made up of heavy-duty woven nylon that is quite durable. This is an ideal option if you are looking for an irrigation system rather than a water leakage or water sprinkler setup. It has a standard 3/4 inch thread that can be easily installed on most of the household connections without any problem. This soaker hose is the ideal way to irrigate. The soaker hose lays flat on the ground and weeps water for maximum irrigation without damaging plants by soaking the roots directly. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Greenmount Soaker Hose. Greenmount is rather a fresh brand in the market. They are providing a very heavy-duty option, as mentioned below. Up next, we have a heavy-duty soaker hose from Greenmount. This is a 50 feet long water hose that is 1/2 inch diameter. This hose has a high water leakage rating that is around 2 gallons per 2 minutes at regular 60 psi pressure that is considerably higher than any other recycled rubber soaker hose. As it is made up of a PVC material, you can expect even water distribution along the length without any problem. This massive soaker hose is equally easy to store as it flattens up and takes only 0.15 cubic feet of space for storage. As it is made with very durable material, it possesses high tensile strength that protects it from damage in hot weather. It can be used either above the ground or under it if the soil pressure is less than 60 psi. You can see universal connectors that can be used to attach multiple hoses at once to cover more ground. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Melmer Flat Soaker Garden Hose. Melmer is a comparatively lesser-known brand in the market. Still, you should look into its option for a soaker hose. In the last position, we have a soaker hose from Melmer. It is quite a long hose that measures around 50 feet along with a wide size of 3/4 inch. Even though it is 50 feet long, you can easily store this soaker hose as it gets flattened for less space consumption. You can store this entire hose in a small space of 0.05 square feet. The hose has porous holes along its length that will deliver the water supply wherever you require. You can either place the hose over the ground or under a thin layer of soil for the best results. This can be the best option if you wish to use the hose for raised beds or vegetables. There are rust-resistant end caps included in the package for easy installation. As the fitting size is standard 3/4 inches, it will easily fit into the hose thread without any problem. A soaker hose is a great way to be water-wise. By slowly soaking only the areas you need, plants grow strong and lush with minimal runoff. These flat soaker hoses are easier to use than standard hoses, which are hard to bend and even harder to store without kinking. The flat design rolls or folds up tight to store in a small space and is available in 3 lengths, 25, 50 and 75 foot. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.